is Hans, Ramen Rater, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And look, it's Miles. Hi, Miles. How you doing today? Good. So I'm going to cook. And we're going to get some snow. You see some snow out there? Huh? Triangles. Nice. Alright, Papa's gonna cook. And what am I gonna cook today, folks? The last of the Samyang Foods Ramen Korean's Coco Poulet from Maison de Coree and Samyang. So basically, this is a collaboration between a French Korean goods store, I think, and Samyang Foods. So that's pretty cool. And this one is Coco Poulet. Can you guess what that is? Yes, it's coconut chicken. So we're gonna cook this sucker up. I got water boiling. Here is the noodle block going in the cup. What's the matter? Hold on. Here is the seasoning powder. And then here are some loose bits from the cup. It looks to be green onion, maybe. And then boiling water to the line. What? And we got 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3, and go. And it will go until it's done. So what's going on, buddy? What's the problem?
Banana.
You want a banana? Can we wait till I'm done cooking? Yeah, I'm cooking noodles. Now? Well, everybody's here. Everybody's watching. It's time to... It's cooking. It's instant noodle recipe time. That's the time we have to do our instant noodle recipes, you know? But, right after I do one of them, I can do it. Oh, wow. No kidding, it's starting to snow. So we're supposed to get between 5 and 6 inches, maybe even more, this afternoon and evening. And then we're supposed to get gusty stuff. There's going to be points when it's 2 inches an hour of snow. And then come Monday, we're supposed to, it sounds like, get about the same amount. But there's this guy who has a blog around here. Wow, those are freaking huge, clumpy flakes. Wow, dude. You want to see? Here, hold on. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see, but those are some really big clumpy snowflakes right there. But yeah, oh boy. My wife's at work. She doesn't work far away from here. Wow, it's coming down even more. But they're saying, you know, don't wait till rush hour to get the heck out. Because what's going to happen, and hopefully you don't get stuck in it, but everybody's going to go, everybody went, oh, it's not snowing yet. Oh, we'll just wait till it starts snowing. And then everybody go, snow, I'm out of here. Gridlock. I guarantee that's what's about to happen. Everybody's going to be stuck in gridlock. What fun that is. Yeah, I'm betting we have like 3 or 4 foot drifts by the end of this event. That'll be fun. It's there's still a good bunch of snow that's down. It's like gotten up to 36 degrees today, and it really didn't seem to melt much. And we got that snow on Monday. So here is the Coco Poulet. extra good stirring and stirring and stirring. I've actually tried this one before, but it was like right when I got all these in the mail. I want to say that was like maybe 6 weeks ago. And it was pretty good. So let's try Coco Poulet by Maison de Coree, Samyang Foods. Coco Poulet. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Here's the broth. It tastes kind of like a coconutty chicken thing there. It's not bad. I like it. I mean, it's like a nice chicken flavor, nice coconuttiness. Do I want to use this bowl or do I want to use that bowl? I think I want to use this bowl. No, I want to use this bowl. Because I think the next bowl or cup noodle variety that I'm doing will need a deeper bowl. But we'll see. And what's kind of a bummer is I have neither Coco nor Poulet to add to it. So that's kind of a sad state of affairs for me. Oops. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna bring things to the center here. Kinda. And honestly, I really don't know what all to put on it. Here's some little bit of spring onion. I think some crisp onion might be nice. So that I will add. Is it snowing? Big hug. And so there we go. I'll do the little magical rotation show for you and turn up the tunes. Oh, I know. There you go. Black sesame seeds make every dish more classy. Yeah, baby. Alright, well, hey, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, and witnessing the dawn of Snowzilla. So, have a good one. Bye.